Remember to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and watch out for more videos in the future from me. Hi, this is Princess Maria. She lives in a big castle, learning how to be a princess day by day, night by night. She wished she had a break. Sometimes she even sneaks out from the castle just to see the surface. Once she got caught, but she managed to sneak away. She got this beautiful gem from her mother. Beautiful gem from her mother. It was found underneath the deepest of darkest ocean. She loves it and it has magical powers, just like her. She's gifted with the most wonderful power ever, the power of water, fire, and wind. It's a nice power, but sometimes she wishes she had more. She always wants to see a human, but not get catched. It's hard if she get catched. Hi, her name is Princess Roselle. She lives in a huge castle, lots of guards by the door everywhere. She studies to be a princess, doesn't really care. She goes to the beach anytime she pleases. She gets what she wants every day. She loves the flowers and has a big garden, a pool, and lots of stuff. But she wishes that she has friends. She can never invite anyone over. She doesn't go to school, and it's kind of hard to make friends when you're not allowed to go out.